Have you ever wondered about the vibrant underwater cities that thrive beneath the ocean's surface? These mesmerizing landscapes, teeming with life, are none other than the enchanting coral reefs. They are not just a spectacle of colors and forms, but a testament to the incredible diversity and complexity of life on Earth. To understand the magic of coral reefs, imagine a bustling city, alive 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Now picture this city submerged in water, with inhabitants of all shapes, sizes, and colors. This, my friends, is a coral reef, a city under the sea. Coral reefs start as tiny, almost invisible polyps. These polyps, much like the seeds of a mighty oak, are the foundation of the reef. They multiply and grow, creating a structure hard as rock, but alive and breathing. Over hundreds and thousands of years, these tiny architects construct skyscrapers of limestone, forming the backbone of the reef. But a city is not just its buildings, it's the inhabitants that make it vibrant and alive. A similar story unfolds in the coral reefs. These underwater cities are teeming with life, housing an estimated 1/4 of all marine species. From the smallest plankton to the largest shark, each organism plays a crucial role in the ecosystem. They feed and breed, compete and cooperate, creating a dynamic, complex, and resilient community. In this city, everyone has a role to play. The cleaner shrimps act as the city's sanitation workers, removing parasites from fish. The parrotfish, with their beak-like jaws, keep the coral clean by eating the algae that can choke the reefs. Coral reefs are not just beautiful, they are a testament to the intricate balance of nature. They are the embodiment of how millions of tiny creatures, working together, can create something far greater than themselves. They are a symbol of life's resilience and diversity. So it's clear that coral reefs are not just beautiful, they are also incredibly important for the health of our planet. They are the lungs of the ocean, the nurseries of the sea, and the guardians of coastal communities. But more than that, they are a reminder of the interconnectedness of all life on Earth. But how do these vibrant underwater cities come to be? Well, it's a fascinating process that involves tiny invertebrate animals known as corals. Now don't let their size fool you. These diminutive creatures are the master builders of the sea, creating grand structures that rival our most impressive architectural feats. Corals are not solitary creatures. They live in colonies, and each individual, known as a polyp, has a crucial role to play in the formation of these underwater metropolises. Each polyp is like a tiny soft-bodied animal encased in a hard skeleton. This skeleton is composed of calcium carbonate, a mineral that the corals secrete. The process begins when a polyp attaches itself to a rock on the seafloor. From this secure base, the polyp starts to grow, dividing into thousands of clones of itself. As each polyp grows, it secretes a layer of calcium carbonate, which forms a cup-like skeleton that not only protects the polyp, but also provides a solid foundation for the colony's growth. Over time, as each generation of polyps dies, their skeletons remain, and new polyps grow on top of them, secreting their own skeletons. This continuous cycle of growth and death, layer upon layer over hundreds, thousands, even millions of years, results in the formation of a coral reef. The size and shape of coral reefs can vary greatly. Some are small and circular, forming around a single piece of rock, while others are vast and complex, extending for miles and creating intricate networks of caves, tunnels, and crevices. Each reef is a bustling city teeming with life, from the tiny polyps that build it to the myriad of species that call it home. It's a testament to the power of nature and the incredible resilience and industriousness of these tiny creatures. These tiny architects, working tirelessly over thousands of years, create the stunning coral reefs we see today. So the next time you marvel at the beauty of a coral reef, remember the humble polyp and the monumental task it undertakes to build these breathtaking underwater cities. Not all coral reefs are the same, though. There are actually 3 main types of coral reefs, and each of these types has unique characteristics and formation processes that make them distinctively fascinating. First up, we have the fringing reefs. These are the most common type of coral reefs, and as their name suggests, they are situated directly along the coastline, fringing the shore like a natural aquatic border. Fringing reefs are characterized by their shallow lagoons that separate the reef from the shore. Over time, these reefs can grow outward, extending further into the sea. Next, let's talk about barrier reefs. These are larger than fringing reefs and are separated from the shore by a deep, wide lagoon. The Great Barrier Reef in Australia, which is the largest coral reef system in the world, is a prime example of this type of reef. Barrier reefs are particularly important because they serve as a sort of shield against ocean waves, storms, and even tsunamis, helping protect the shoreline and the ecosystems that reside there. Last but certainly not least, we have the atolls. These are circular or oval-shaped reefs that encircle a central lagoon. Atolls are usually formed when islands surrounded by fringing reefs sink into the sea, leaving behind a ring of coral that continues to grow upwards. The Maldives, a tropical paradise in the Indian Ocean, is a collection of 26 atolls, offering some of the most stunning underwater vistas on the planet. Each of these reef types, with their unique characteristics and formation processes, create different habitats that host a wide range of marine life. From the smallest microorganisms to the largest marine creatures, these reefs are teeming with biodiversity, providing food, shelter, and breeding grounds for countless species. Despite their differences, all types of coral reefs play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of marine life. They are integral to the health of our oceans and ultimately, the health of our planet. So, as we continue to explore the beauty and complexity of these underwater cities, let's also remember the vital role they play and the importance of their conservation. So, why should we care about these underwater cities? You might wonder. Well, let's dive into the deep and uncover the significance of these vibrant ecosystems. Coral reefs, often referred to as the rainforests of the sea, perform an array of vital roles. They act as nature's buffer, protecting our coastlines from the full force of waves, storms, and even potent erosion. By dissipating wave energy, they help preserve our shores, preventing property damage and loss of life during natural calamities. Imagine them as the ocean's resilient guardians, consistently shielding us from harm. Moreover, these reefs are vibrant hubs of biodiversity. They provide shelter, breeding grounds, and feeding areas for a multitude of marine species. From the tiniest plankton to the gigantic whale shark, countless creatures rely on these ecosystems for survival. Despite covering less than 1% of the Earth's surface, coral reefs are home to nearly 1/4 of all known marine species. It's a bustling underwater metropolis, teeming with life and activity at every corner. But that's not all. Coral reefs also have a profound impact on human economies. They are a major attraction for the tourism industry, drawing in millions of visitors each year who come to marvel at the stunning underwater landscapes. This, in turn, generates billions in revenue, providing livelihoods for local communities. Furthermore, they support fisheries, ensuring food security for millions of people worldwide. In addition, coral reefs are a treasure trove of potential medicines, some of which are being used today. From treatments for cancer and HIV to painkillers and anti-inflammatory drugs, these ecosystems are a goldmine for the pharmaceutical industry. So when we talk about coral reefs, we're not just discussing the beauty beneath the waves. We're talking about a life-sustaining system that directly impacts the health of our planet, our economies, and ultimately our survival. Coral reefs are vital not just for marine life, but for humans too. Let's remember this as we continue to explore the beauty and wonder of these underwater cities. In a nutshell, coral reefs are captivating, complex, and crucial for our planet. These enchanting underwater cities, teeming with life and radiant with color, are more than just a feast for the eyes. They are a testament to the power of nature and a vital part of our global ecosystem. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and share with others. And write your thoughts about this fascinating nature life in the comment column below.